The portfolio system was introduced by whom? Lord Canning. The Nagarjuna inscriptions provide information about Buddhism. The second atom bomb was dropped on Nagasaki on 9th August 1945. Diwan-e-Kairat was set up as a separate department by Firoz Tughlaq. Name that Sufi saint who was associated with Akbar. Sheikh Salim Chishti. The system of payment of salary to the troops was decreed by Balban. Who had brought the Lauha Stamba in Delhi or iron pillar in Delhi? Muhammad Ghayasuddin. Hamida Banu Begum was the mother of Emperor Akbar. The invasion of Alexander took place in northwest India in 326 BC in the period of Nandas. The French Revolution ended in which year? 1793. Who introduced Indian civil services? Lord Cornwallis. Whom did Chandragupta Maurya defeat? The Huns. Al-Biruni came to India with Muhammad of Ghazni. World War I commenced in 1914. Who built the Taragar Fort of Ajmer? Ajaypal Chauhan. Gandhiji started march to Dandi from Sabarmati Ashram. What was the immediate cause of Sepoy Mutiny in 1857? Greased cartridges. The war strategy adopted by Shivaji against Mughals was guerrilla war. The tomb of Humayun is located in Delhi. Which Sultan built Alai Darwaza? Alauddin Khilji. Chand Bibi was the ruler of Ahmednagar. Who laid the foundation of Portuguese power in India? Answer is Alfonso de Albuquerque. Buland Darwaza was built at Fatehpur Sikri by Akbar to commemorate conquest of Gujarat. Who was the first Indian to be elected to the British House of Commons? Dadabhai Nauroji. Where was the first general post office opened in India? Kolkata. Who is known for his work on medicine during the Gupta period? Susruta. Which region of India was ruled by Sultan Jainul Abidin? Kashmir. Jahangir's tomb is located in Lahore. Which Sultan of Delhi fell to death while playing Chaugan? Qutb Uddin Aibak. Tulsidas was a contemporary of Akbar. The third battle of Panipat was fought between Ahmad Shah Abdali and the Marathas. Madurai was the capital of Pandyas. Saka era was founded by Kanishka. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort in Delhi? Shah Jahan. The Western education was introduced in India by Lord Bentinck. Pulakesi II defeated Harsha on the banks of which river? Narmada. The pioneer of the Bhakti movement in India was? Answer is Ramanuja. The market regulations in India were introduced by? Answer is Alauddin Khilji. The Inqilab Jindabad slogan was given by Bhagat Singh. Who was the first Indian ruler to accept subsidiary alliance offered by Lord Wellesley in 1798? Nizams of Hyderabad. Who is mainly associated with historical Jallianwala Bagh massacre? General Dyer. Historical Qutub Minar is located in New Delhi. Who executed Guru Tegh Bahadur? Aurangzeb. Who said, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? Subhash Chandra Bose. Ramakrishna Mission was founded by Swami Vivekananda. Who said, "Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it"? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who is known as Frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Jafar Khan. Who founded the Brahma Samaj? Ram Mohan Roy. Gandhiji launched civil disobedience movement in the year? Answer is 1930. With which historical personality is the Raigarh fort associated? Shivaji. The ruins of assembly of 80 pillars of Mauryan period is associated with? Kumrar, Patna. The revolt of 1857 started from Meerut. The biggest building at Mohenjo-daro was Great Granary. Ashoka started to follow Buddhism after which battle? Kalinga. Khajuraho temples were made by Chandela. When was the Dandi March held? In the year 1930. When was Rangpur rebellion happened? In the year 1783. Kanishka was the great king of which dynasty? Kushan dynasty. The compilation of the compositions of Kabir is known as Bijak. What was the name of the party launched by Subhash Chandra Bose in 1939? All India Forward Bloc. Purna Swaraj was announced in the Indian National Congress session of Lahore. The Sangam period is considered as the golden era of Tamil language, as many classical Tamil dash were written during this period. Answer is Tamil poems. Which newspaper was written by Lokmanya Tilak during Indian national movement? Kesari. Mahavira is believed to be the last of Dash Tirthankaras. 24. Daulat Khan sent messengers to Babur in Kabul offering his alliance in exchange for assistance against the Emperor Dash. Answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Chandragupta II extended the Gupta kingdom to Gujarat in Dash AD. 390 AD. Dash Sultan of Delhi shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Ibrahim Lodi was killed by Dash in the First Battle of Panipat in 1526. Babur, who was the founder of Lodi dynasty. Bahlul Lodi. The British made English the medium of instruction in India in which year? 1835. Who is believed to have built the Konark temple? Narasimha Deva. Emperor Ashoka was the successor of Bindusara. What was the name of Maharana Pratap's horse? Chetak. Shimla Agreement 1972 between India and Pakistan was signed in Ban's Court. Salt Satyagraha in Tamil Nadu was led by C. Rajagopalachari. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Umesh Chandra Banerjee. In which movement did Gandhiji make the first use of hunger strike as a weapon? Ahmedabad Strike 1918. The famous Chinese pilgrim Heirin Sang visited India during the reign of Harshavardhan. The Quit India movement was launched in the year 1942. Jama Masjid at Delhi was built by Shah Jahan. Jand Avesta is a sacred text of Parsi. Which British government reform gave provincial autonomy? Government of India Act 1935. Who first deciphered the script of Ashoka? James Prinsep. The Moroccan traveller Ibn Battuta was a contemporary of which ruler? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who was the leader of Eka movement? Madari Pasi. Which place the Gadkari rebellion was held? Kolhapur. Where was the first session of Indian National Congress held? Bombay. In cultural history, Nagara in north and Dravida in south are related to temples. The Second Battle of Tarain was fought in the year 1192. Harihara and Bukka founded which famous kingdom? Answer is Vijayanagar. Whom did Iltutmish decided to nominate as his successor? Razia. Who was the founder of Pala Empire? Gopala. Which Governor General started his term on June 3, 1947? Mountbatten Prabhu. The famous Jama Masjid was built by which ruler? Shah Jahan. During whose reign was the famous creation of Dudinama created? Akbar. Who is the founder of Tughlakabad city? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Who set up Swadesh Bandhab Samiti to propagate Swadeshi movement? Ashwini Kumar Datta. Who was the founder of Chola dynasty? Vijayalaya. Who was known for his famous work Arthashastra? Chanakya. When did the historic Dandi March began? March 12, 1930.